The teacher asked Maria to speak blank so everyone could hear her clearly. Is it A out, B in, C over, D up? Again, for number 7, the teacher asked Maria to speak blank so everyone could hear her clearly. Is it A out, B in, C over, or D up? You may start commenting your answer. Again, try to read the statement carefully. The teacher asked Maria to speak blank so everyone could hear her clearly. Edwin up, Renzo A, Jane C. Oh. Ruida A, Erwan D. Same as most D, Doris D, Anisel D, MM, Areza A, Shannon D. Okay. The teacher asked Maria to speak blank so everyone could hear her clearly. Let us try to trim down our choices. So most of you say the answer for number 7 is A and D. O, sige. Let's stick to to those two. So, remove na natin letter B and C, di ba? The teacher asked Maria to speak in so everyone could hear her clearly. Uh-oh. How about the teacher asked Maria to speak over so everyone could hear her clearly? No, no, then. So, it's between A and D. Let's try to analyze. D, final na, coach. D. Okay, sige. Ganyan dapat. May strong conviction. Then later on, you try to ponder, why is it kaya letter A? Why is it kaya letter B? Jennifer, Reynadel A, Ja, and Prince D. Mara as well, up. Jose A. Anong konteksto ba itong number 7 na? A po, final. Okay. When the teacher asked Maria to speak ba, what's her intention? When the teacher asked Maria to speak, what is the teacher's intention? Definitely, for everyone to hear Maria clearly, right? A, D po, A, D. Okay, let's try to reveal the answer. Malakas kutob ko sa D. Sabi, D coach, sabi ni Elvin. Si Jonathan, malakas kutob ko sa D coach. Malakas din ang kutob ko na yan ang tamang sagot. Why? The teacher asked Maria to speak up so everyone could hear her clearly. Why is that so? Diba, when the teacher asked Maria to speak up, it's mean to speak louder or more clearly so that everyone in the room could hear her. That is actually the intention. Then why is it not, coach, why is it not speak out? Uubra din naman siya. But when we say speak out, we usually use this to express one's opinion freely and boldly. Actually, expression din yan yung speak out. Diba? Again, with speak out, usually it means to express one's opinion freely and boldly. Kung yun lang yung hinihingi ni teacher, most probably, i-end niya na yun doon to speak blank. Kaya lang, meron ka pa din so everyone could hear her clearly. Diba? Again, with speak out, express one's opinion freely, boldly. Sige, lahat ng gusto mo sabihin, sabihin mo na. For example, she decided to speak out against the new rules. Yung speak in naman, hindi siya, it's not a standard English phrasal verb in this context, ha? Yung speak over naman, when you say speak over, it means to talk while someone else is already talking. Parang yung tipong, it's rude to speak over your classmates. Di ba, syempre nag-uusap pa, mag-speak over ka. Again, because the teacher's intention is for everyone to hear Maria clearly, loudly. That's why, for number 7, it's speak up. Okay? Speak out, parang mag-voice out. Sa mga movie nga po, no, palaging sinasabi, speak up. Oh, the answer is letter D. Tama, D, D, D. So everyone could hear, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Again, it's important po, no, that we really read and understand the context of the statement of the sentence. Okay? Ano ba yung intention? What is being asked in this particular sentence? Next, let's move on. So, ito naman, coach, parang same sila eh. But then again, with speak out, it's more of your opinion, freely, boldly. Unlike when you speak up, you speak louder, more clearly. Okay?